When disaster strikes, Raptor Restoration's rapid response team is here to help. We provide expert disaster restoration services in Greenwood, Indiana, to get your property back to normal fast. Our dedicated team moves quickly to secure your property and prevent further damage. From fallen trees to water intrusion, we've got you covered. We perform a thorough inspection to assess the full extent of the damage. You'll receive a fully documented inspection report, free of charge. Our team specializes in restoring both residential and commercial properties. Whether it's fire, water, or storm damage, we're equipped to handle it all. We only use the best materials and latest techniques to ensure your property is restored to its pre-disaster condition. We're here to rebuild your home and your sense of security. We know that every minute counts during a disaster. That's why our team will make sure to respond to your emergency needs quickly. Ready to restore your property? Contact our friendly team to schedule your inspection and estimate today. Call us at 317-886-0696 or visit raptorrestoration.com/services/disaster-restoration for more information on our services. Raptor Restoration. Disaster doesn't wait, and neither should you.